Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present a presentation of the result of our research. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Mulia Meranida.
And my name is Anjali Yulia Citra. My name is Ratri Mirza Dewandari.
And my name is Rizka Amelia.
Well, let's start. Background of the research. Language is a unique human interest that play the very important role in human's life, such as in thinking, communicating idea, and negotiating with the others. People use language as a code to convey their ideas so that the goal of communication to get message clearly is achieved. To anticipate misunderstanding during communication, people must consider the circumstance of interaction, such as situational and cultural. Next slide, please. Analyze. Firstly, about code switching, then the implementation, then the researcher used documentation in collecting data. The research findings show that two are type of code switching in the movie. They are situational code switching and then metaphorical code switching. And the fourth is function. And the fifth is code switching from the movie Bulan Terbelah di Langit Amerika. And the last is type of code switching from the movie Bulan Terbelah di Langit Amerika. Next. Code switching. What is the meaning of code switching? Code switching is when a speaker alternates between two or more language or dialect or varieties of language in one conversation. Indonesia, with heterogeneous people who have many kinds of ethnic, cultures, and language, can be sure that they use code switching as an alternative way to make interlocutor understand with what they speak. As an example, the first language of Indonesian people is Indonesian language, while English is the second language that must be learned by them either in daily conversation or in the class. Of course, they often use code switching to select both two languages is one and the same speech aid in conveying their thought. Thus, there is a sense that a person is capable in using two languages in one conversation. Next slide, please. Speakers use communicative code as their effort to communicate with other language users. Listeners use their own code of they interact with. Both of speaker and listener may switch or mix their code in order to signal a change in conversation. Ini menjadikan suatu kondisi di mana orang menggunakan lebih dari satu bahasa atau kode dalam topik yang konteksnya sama dalam seseorang berkomunikasi. Ini disebut dengan code switching atau alih kode. Mereka menggunakan code switching atau alih kode ini dari informal menjadi informal, dari informal maksud saya dan menjadi informal. Dan orang lain yang memiliki hubungan dekat, seperti orang tua, teman, dan orang-orang di lingkungannya. Sebagai bahasa nasional, bahasa Indonesia digunakan dalam percakapan formal, seperti dalam percakapan di kantor atau di sekolah, bersama guru, dan di dalam linguistik, simulasi beberapa alih kode yang menggunakan lebih dari satu bahasa atau variasi dalam bahasa dalam percakapan. Next slide, please. The implementation of code switching is not only spoken but also in written form. The conversation in daily life is one of example of spoken code switching. Meanwhile, written code switching can be found in literary works such as movie. When a movie tells about another country, the cast may change its language of dialogue based on the target language due to the different place and context. Hence, the audience do not only understand the message containing in the novel, but also know the consequences of code switching used by the character in dialogue. Next slide, please. One of movie that is containing utterances of code switching is Bulan Terbelah di Langit Amerika movie. The authors of this bestseller movie serve rich of word, phrases, clause, and sentences in Indonesian English code switching of the dialogue based on the interlocutor and social context. They present dialogue in direct quotation as if commonly used by bilingual people in real life. Next slide, please.
The next is types of code switching. Bloom and Gompers identified two types of code switching. There are situational code switching and metaphorical code switching. The first is situational code switching. It happens when people switch from one code to another for reasons which can be identified, and it happens only in one context and without any change of the topic. McCormick, 1994. People speak one language in one situation and another language in another situation. In this case, one variety is used in a situation. However, changing from one language to another may be used immediately. The situation mainly influences the language switching which happens between bilinguals in conversation. Jadi, situational code itu adalah perubahan situasi yang menggunakan satu bahasa dalam satu situasi dan menggunakan bahasa yang berbeda dalam satu situasi lainnya tanpa merubah topik. The example of situational code switching. Agus, menurutku semuanya karena mereka tidak tahu persis artinya, Dek. Mark. Hi, Agus. Agus. How are you, Mark? Mark, this is Made, our friend from Mataram. Made, nice to meet you, Mark. Mark. Nice to meet you too. What are you two talking about? Agus. Nah, ini dia kita bisa. Mark, can you help us? From the dialogue above, we can see that Agus switches from Bahasa to English after the presence of the third person, which is Mark. The switching happened because there is a new participant. In conclusion, situational code switching occurs when there is change in situation that causes the participant switches her or his code from one code in one situation and another one in another situation. Next is metaphorical code switching. This type of code switching occurs in a conversation in which the role of the relationship between the speakers may change. People produce a different variation based on the matter which is under discussion. It occurs when the language that is used changes according to the topic in a conversation. The interesting point of it is that some topics may be discussed in either code, but the choice of code adds a characteristic to the topic, which is said. The ability to use code switching operates like a metaphor to enrich communication. Metaphorical code switching has an affective dimension that you change the code as you redefine the situation, informal, formal to informal, official to personal, serious to humorous, and politeness to solidarity. Sedangkan metaphorical ini selalu berubah topiknya, tergantung persepsi masing-masing, formal ke informal, resmi ke pribadi, serius ke humoris, sopan ke solid, pokoknya topiknya selalu berubah. Next is the example of metaphorical code switching. Made, we want to take it to where? Ya, itu tempat kita biasa mancing, and we are drinking, singing, having fun, okay? Ali. And there we are surfing, swimming, terus kita jadi pusing-pusing deh, hehe. Made, are you joining gym? Gym. Okay then. From the dialogue above, the switching happens because of the changing topic. The first topic is talking about activities which can do there. Then he switches his language to Bahasa by saying, terus kita jadi pusing-pusing deh, hehehe, to make a joke. In conclusion, metaphorical code switching occurs when the speaker switches from one language to another without signaling any changes in situation. And the first change of the topic requires a change language use. Metaphorical code switching involves only a change in topical emphasis.
Function of switching. The first is that individual induce a switch style according to the static. The categories conventional code switching into 6 main functions: direction, address specification, interjection, reiteration, message qualification, and summarization. The following are explanation of the function is A. Quotation. A quotation serves as a proof that what people were saying were facts and the addresses had to believe them. Jadi sederhananya, orang-orang melakukan ahli kode itu untuk menyatakan slogan atau pepatah baik dari diri mereka sendiri atau orang lain secara langsung atau tidak langsung. Example, aku kan sudah bilang ke kamu Yuni, yeah, you can forgive if she brings the letter to the house. I'll pay her there. Next. B. Address specification. Address specification recognize not only the interacting members of the speech events, but it also recognize that their language behavior more than merely a matter of individual preference or facility, but also a matter of broad relation. Example, ladies and gentlemen, mohon maafkan kami. Next, C. Interjection. Interjection or sentence fillers is words or expressions which are inserted into a sentence to convey surprise, strong emotion, or to gain attention. Interjection ini lebih ke kalimat untuk menyampaikan kejutan, emosi yang sangat kuat, dan untuk menarik perhatian. It is a short exclamation such as, hey, well, look, and for example, hey, stop playing tricks on me. Next. D. Reiteration, synonym of repetition. The function of this switching is to repeat the message from one language to another language, either literally or in somewhat modified form. Example, aku kan sudah bilang, you speak in Indonesia. Pakai bahasa Indonesia. Next. And E. Message qualification. Another large group of switches consists of qualifying constructions such as clause, sentence, and meaning phrases. Sejumlah besar peralihan di bawah kategori ini dimaksudkan untuk mengekspresikan konsep waktu. The subject generally switch from Indonesian to English whenever they specify the time. Nah, subjek umumnya beralih dari bahasa Indonesia ke bahasa Inggris setiap kali menentukan waktu. For example, Ali, saya kemarin di sini. Ismail, tapi Anda kok tidak ada. Ali, saya kemarin di sini. Friday, saya di sini. Lukman, not this Friday. Before this Friday. Itu hari janjian kita. Next. F. Personalization. City from Elizabeth Marasigan in a very large group or intense function is somewhat more difficult to specific and purely descriptive. Kontras kode di sini berhubungan dengan hal-hal seperti tingkat keterlibatan pembicaraan dalam atau bentuk jarak, pesan atau penerima, pendapat, perasaan, or whether it has status of generally known fact. Example, dan terakhir, what's right with Islam is what's right with you.
Okay, in the next slide, there is code switching in Bulan Terbelah di Langit Amerika. The researcher found 13 code switching causes in the sequel of movies Bulan Terbelah di Langit Amerika. Seperti yang tadi udah dijelasin, ada dua tipe code switching, yaitu situasional dan metapotical code switching, di mana intinya situasional itu menggunakan bahasa yang berbeda tetapi dengan topik yang sama. Sedangkan metapotical code switching itu menggunakan bahasa berbeda dengan topik yang beda atau topiknya sudah berubah. For the example, di sini ada kalimat tenang aja, aku nggak akan minum banyak. Never. Never di sini dia bilang untuk nggak bakal minum banyak. Masih satu topik, so this is situational code switching. Selanjutnya, ada kalimat, ini telepon suami kamu, use my phone. Ini termasuk ke dalam metapotical code switching. Ada juga kalimat, yeah, we're about to go to, alamatnya Stefan, ada nggak? Di sini ia bilang mau pergi. Selanjutnya, ia bertanya apakah ada alamat Stefan atau tidak. Jadi ini termasuk metapotical code switching, di mana pembahasannya sudah berbeda topik. Next, ada kalimat, kita diundang sama Brown ke acaranya Year of the Year. Jadi mereka diundang sama Brown untuk ke acara Year of the Year, dan ini termasuk situational code switching karena masih satu topik yang sama. Kemudian kalimat, yes, the world be better without Islam. Itu kan pertanyaannya, ini termasuk ke dalam situational code switching. Kemudian yang ketiga ada kalimat the world be better without Islam. Katolik, Hindu, Buddha. Kamu tahu kenapa? Karena agama itu mengkotak-kotakan manusia. Ini termasuk ke dalam metapotical code switching. Yang keempat ada kalimat menimbulkan perbedaan di antara kita. And you know, religion creates war. Ini termasuk metapolitical quote switching karena di awal ia bilang menimbulkan perbedaan di antara kita, kemudian ia bilang kalau religion creates war, jadi sudah berbeda topik. Slide selanjutnya ada kalimat siapa yang bikin kamu termotivasi? Dolar, euro, no, aku yakin itu aku. Ini termasuk ke dalam metapolitical quote switching. Kalimat selanjutnya ada so you are better early thing. Pertanyaan kamu cocok tidak untuk Philippus Brown? Ini termasuk ke dalam metapolitical quote switching karena di awal ia bilang untuk berpikir, kemudian ia bertanya apakah pertanyaan tersebut cocok tidak untuk Philippus Brown. Kemudian kalimat yang ketiga ada tapi nggak semua begitu kok, not everyone's like that. Ini termasuk ke dalam situational quote switching. Slide selanjutnya, there is sentence. Ini kebetulan ada hotdog yang tidak mengandung daging anjing. You should try. Ini termasuk ke dalam situational code switching karena ada kalimat you should try yang berarti ia harus mencoba hotdog itu. Next, kalian hanya peduli pada wawancara dan kalian tidak peduli sama orang yang diwawancara. Just go right now. Ini termasuk ke dalam metapolitical code switching karena kalimat di awal dan di akhir sudah berbeda topik. Kemudian kalimat yang terakhir ada, bisa nggak yang kali ini kamu urusin sendiri? Just leave me alone, giving my space, and that's it. Ini termasuk metapolitical code switching karena di awal kalimat ia meminta untuk tidak mengganggunya dan di akhir ia memohon untuk meninggalkannya. Jadi ini termasuk metapolitical code switching. Next, conclusion Putri.
Conclusion. According to the analysis, the researcher found there were some result of the study. Type of code switching contained in Bulan Terbelah di Langit Amerika the movie are situational switching and metapolitical switching. All the type of code switching are used by the character. The whole data found in the movie are 13. There are 5 occurrences of situational code switching, and the highest dominant type used by the character is metapolitical switching with 8 occurrences of code switching. Dan untuk kesimpulan dari code switching sendiri akan saya sampaikan untuk lebih mudah dipahami, kita akan ambil kesimpulan dari kehidupan sehari-hari kita. Masyarakat Indonesia merupakan masyarakat bilingual dan multilingual, atau masyarakat yang menggunakan lebih dari satu bahasa secara bergantian dalam komunikasi sehari-hari. Bilingualisme dan multilingualisme yang terjadi pada masyarakat di Indonesia ini terjadi karena Indonesia merupakan negara yang memiliki banyak suku dan masing-masing mempunyai bahasa daerah yang berbeda. Kebanyakan dari masyarakat Indonesia menggunakan 2 bahasa secara bergantian dalam komunikasinya, yaitu bahasa daerah sebagai bahasa pertama dan bahasa Indonesia, bahasa nasional sebagai bahasa kedua atau sebaliknya. Dalam ilmu sosiolinguistik, fenomena ini disebut sebagai code switching atau alih code. Seperti yang sudah saya simpulkan saya jabarkan di awal, bahasa Inggris merupakan bahasa yang wajib kita pelajari, jadi code switching bisa digunakan oleh masyarakat dari bahasa Indonesia ke bahasa Inggris, begitupun sebaliknya. Next slide.
Okay. In the last slide is closing. This presentation was made to fulfill the text of English linguistics. Therefore, we do not forget to say thank you very much. We realize that this presentation still has many shortcomings and weaknesses. This is due to our limited knowledge and insight. We hope that this presentation can be useful for us and all of our friends. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.